Hi there, and these set of lessons are about measures of range and central tendency. You'll be given quite a lot of data during your geography exams. Quite often with paper 3 you'll have some fieldwork data. You will be asked to measure the median, the mean or the mode, percentages, etc. So this whole set is to try and help you understand how to get through the data, and we'll look at some positives and negatives as well. So the first one that we're going to look at when it clicks through is going to be the range. Now what I've given you here is a set of climate data for Florence in Italy. This is the climate graph for Florence. The blue obviously showing the rainfall, and the red showing the temperature. And the red, remember from our work on climate graphs and bar and line graphs, is the blue lines are bars because rain is scored by accumulating it over the month. That means that we add it up from the start of the month to the end of the month. We see what we've got, and that gives us our bars. And the climate, well, that's taken as an average across the month and then scored. And what we've got here are the average scores. And these are the average maximum temperatures. So what we've got here is 11 degrees is the lowest, is the highest temperature for January, and then we find that the highest temperature average is 32 degrees in August. And the range, very easy to work out, is we take August, which is 32 degrees C, and we subtract January, which is 11 degrees C. So you subtract that. So that is effectively 32 minus 11, and that equals 21 degrees C. And that gives us our range of data. So obviously it's quite interesting to look at ranges of data across the year. Some countries, such as Britain, won't have that range of data necessarily. Other countries in the world will. It's just interesting to know what those places are going to be like. Okay, so there's your range.